Help support the companies that support our community. After I got it all sanded and oiled, I went ahead and pulled it out of the chuck and then flipped it around and used the vacuum chuck to hold on to it while I turned the tenon off. So as far as the process of doing the mother of pearl, I put that in there 3 times. So I would CA it, put the mother of pearl in, put it on the lathe, sand it, and then go back and fill in the spots I missed, because it's kind of hard to see everything. So that whole process took quite a while. It's filling it in. And as far as the picture goes, it really doesn't do it justice, because we took a few pictures and it is all filled in with the mother of pearl, but it doesn't really show up on the video as well, or even in a picture. But it is all filled in. I really like how it came out. I think if I was going to do another one, I would find a piece of walnut that was just heartwood and really dark, so the mother of pearl just popped on it. But it's a pretty easy process. That thin CA glue, it just put it in and then sprinkle it in. I just took a piece of paper and folded it over to be as precise as I could, because it kind of gets everywhere if you try and do it with your hands. I just went ahead and used the #1 hollower and turned off that tenon, and then with the vacuum chuck, it's nice. You can just pull it away and clean up the rest of it. And same process on this. After I got that all turned off, I went ahead and soaked it down with the walnut oil and sanded it up. There we go. It's 11 inches across and 1 3/4 tall. I really like the way it came out. I love the mother of pearl, working with that. I will put a link down below in the description for the mother of pearl and the carving tool I used, the little V-bit on that. And I also have links to all the tools I use in the shop down below in the description. It was really nice. I think if I did another one, I would definitely pick a darker piece of walnut that was more heartwood, but it was really fun to do it, and pretty easy to carve. The most time-consuming part was doing the mother of pearl in it, because you had to do it a couple of times, but I really enjoyed it. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell. All right, we'll see you next time.